Welcome to our JavaScript promises tutorial. In this video, we will cover the basics of promises and how to use them to write asynchronous code. Promises are fundamental concept in JavaScript, allowing us to write asynchronous code that's more readable and maintainable. A promise can be in one of three states: pending, fulfilled, or rejected. We can create a promise using the promise constructor and pass a callback function that resolves or rejects the promise. We can use the catch method to handle errors that occur in a promise chain. We can chain multiple promises together to perform a series of asynchronous operations. We can use the then method to handle the fulfilled state of a promise and the catch method to handle the rejected state. We can use promise.all to handle multiple promises concurrently and wait for all of them to resolve. Following best practices for promises can help improve the quality and maintainability of our code. I hope this video has helped you understand promises better. Thank you for watching. There are several common pitfalls that can be encountered when using promises. By being aware of these pitfalls, we can write more robust and maintainable code. Promises and async await are both used for asynchronous programming, but they have different syntax and use cases. There are several advanced techniques that can be used with the promises to improve the performance and readability of our code. Following best practices for promises can help improve the quality and maintainability of our code. I hope this video has helped you understand promises better. Thank you for watching.